Immanuel Kant is the pivotal philosopher of modernity. Whether you have an interest in him already, or in really any post-Kantian thinker, there is no way around Immanuel Kant. He saw that the system of reason had become a battlefield, as he calls it, because of metaphysical overreaches, because of the excesses of reason, the hubris of the understanding. In fact, we could understand this insight by Kant as saying that modernity is an ideological battlefield precisely because of these overreaches. How could reason and the understanding be tamed so that we can make sense again of the world? This seems to be one of the most important questions Kant addresses. Whether you are interested in German idealism more broadly, that's to say in Hegel, Schelling, Fichte, Hölderlin, the German romantics like the Schlegel brothers, or Marx, Heidegger, Nietzsche, Husserl, Schopenhauer, Bergson, or even such stranger ideologies as accelerationism, Kant stands at the very beginning of them all. His transcendental idealism is a revolution in thought that we still need to reckon with. In fact, one of the most short-sighted and frankly rather limited readings of Kant, which is prevalent throughout the academic world, is the assumption that his critiques are but an epistemology. That is not the case. Kant's philosophy is such an earthquake precisely because his thought revolutionizes logic and thus the entire system of reason. If you want to understand our age and why Kant's transcendental logic lets us fly airplanes, then this course is a must for you. And this is not an exaggeration. It is thanks to transcendental logic that we can fly spaceships and airplanes. Only when you read Kant's first critique as a radically new form of logic, that is to say, concerned with the form of thought itself, can you begin to appreciate the true scope of his Copernican turn. Together, at my upcoming course, which starts this Saturday, we will consider such important notions as phenomena, noumena, time and space, the schematism, the categories, the antinomies of reason, the sublime, human transcendental freedom and self-positing, as well as human genius. Kant is the king of the Enlightenment because he saw the limitations of the movement. His leitmotif at the course shall also be ours, sapere aude, have courage to think for yourself. So I hope that you can join me. The link to enroll is in the description of this video. At the course I will first present a lecture for about 30 to 45 minutes, followed by breakout sessions, followed by a 1-hour discussion group which I lead. So I hope to see you this Saturday at 6 p.m. UK time. We will meet 9 times over the course of 9 weeks, always Saturdays, always 6 to 8 p.m. UK time. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. The link to enroll is in the description of this video. It takes you to a page called Teachable. That's where you can sign up for this course now. Thank you very much indeed.